Okay, we now move on to speaking part 2, and your topic is describe a time when you tried to do something but you weren't very successful. So,
I will tell you the story of mine last year when I tried to attempt MCAT test, but it was a false attempt of mine. Uh, when I did my inter, my parents advised me to go for MDCAT, but I did not really want to go for it. Then after my last paper, it was not very good there. But at the same time, I went to the academy. I booked my hostel and to start my preparation for the test. Uh, it was a complete disaster for me, as I have prepared from the YouTube, and due to COVID, we have a really short time for the preparation of MDCAT, and I really tried, but I think all went in vain. My parents and my friends now advise me to repeat the test, but I don't want it again.
okay, thank you. 1 minute 23 seconds, which is fine. What actually your topic is all past tense. You tried, but you used present also. Like you said, start. It should have been started. Then you said I have. It should have been I had. Then you said we have.
Yes.
It should have been we had. So just you are a bit confused about present and past.
Part.
So focus the use of present and past. Now we move on to speaking part 3. What is your definition of success, or what is success according to you?
I think success is something from which you are satisfied. I don't really care what people think about my performance. As long as you are satisfied with your performance, you are successful.
All right, thank you. Just try to add some more to it, then it'll be better. And focus grammar,
ठीक.
tenses.
Okay. Thank
Thank
you.
you.